another video, and today I am excited to bring you guys another foundation review video. Once again, for Black History Month, like I said, I'm focusing on Black owned companies for the month of February when I am doing my foundation review. This is the last one for the month, but don't be worried, I will still feature Black owned brands throughout the entire year because that's just what I do. All year long, Black owned brands mixed with everything else. So this is not gonna stop here, but for February, I only did Black owned brands for my foundation review videos. So far, I did a video on Valana Minerals, I did Laws of Nature Cosmetics, I did Love & Co, and now the final one for this month is Move Cosmetics. This one, again, like I said, like the others, it is another Black owned, women owned, vegan, cruelty-free, natural makeup brand, and I'm going to share it with you guys. This company is called Move Makeup for women who sweat. Yes, who sweat. The claim to this company is the foundations are supposed to last during any activity, during your workout, during running errands, during just basically working out. Your foundation is not supposed to budge at all. The makeup will still look good. So of course, you know, I got a treadmill in my house. I got a little treadmill situation that I got as a gift recently. So we are about to put this foundation to the test, and I will get on the treadmill, do a little workout situation, and let's see if it does stay put like it claims. As usual, I purchased these from the website. They're available on Etsy. I'll leave all the information below in the description bar. I purchased the samples, and with the sample, I believe it was $10. I think it's $10. You get the entire foundation line, and it comes with 7 different foundation shades in these little Ziploc baggy things. Honestly, I don't care for these Ziploc baggy things. I think they're very annoying. I'd rather them come in a little container like this, but you know, it is what it is. The foundation shades are Fair Peach, Fair Olive, Fair Sunrise, Cinnamon, Cocomel, Cocoa, and Blackberry. Those are all 7 shades on my hand. Now to find the foundation shade that matches my skin tone, I'm going to definitely take the Fair out because the Fair is not for me. That's for my lighter skinned beauties out there, not me. Here are the swatches on my face. I decided to swatch 4 of them. What is this bump? Anyway, the first one here is Cocomel. The second one here is Cocoa, which I think I'm liking Cocoa. I think is the best match so far. And on this side, I swatched Caramel. No, lies. Wait, Liam, where the Cinnamon? On this side is Cinnamon right here. And then the one right behind it is Blackberry. Blackberry is nice and dark. I like Blackberry. Not to, you know, wear, but I just think it looks like a Blackberry to me. I'm going to wait a little bit, let the foundation warm up to my skin tone, because I've learned that when it comes to a loose mineral foundation, when you first apply it, you have to give it some time to warm up to your skin tone, and then you get your right match. So I'll be back. I gave it some time to warm up, like about 5 minutes or so, not too long because I got things to do. So the shade I think I'm going to go with is this last one back here, which is Cocoa. I put some of Cocoa on this glass plate right here, trying to get fancy, you know, I got a little glass plate situation. I'm going to mix it around, get a clean brush, and I'm going to apply it to this side of my face, the right side of my face. I've applied Cocoa to the right side of my face, nothing on this side. I'm going to give it some more time to really warm up to my skin tone because, you know, I learned my lesson. I learned, you guys, mineral, it's the learning process. You know, I'm on a journey. Mineral foundations, like I said, takes time to warm up to really match your skin tone. So in the meantime, while it warms up to my skin tone, I'm going to just read to you quickly the information about this foundation. It says, and this is from the website directly. Move foundation not only looks beautiful and natural, it also lasts throughout even your most strenuous activities. Its unique formula produces a sweat-proof foundation that won't budge while you're working out, running errands, or just busying through life. Give it a try. Move Makeup isn't just another mineral makeup brand. These minerals were chosen and blended using the unique perspective of a dancer with sensitive skin, a dancer with a chemical engineering degree, a woman that knew what it needed to do it and how it needed to be done. I want to see how buildable it is. I'm going to add more to the right side of my face as usual. I added another layer to the right side of my face. Not much difference, not much changed. So I would say this is definitely a light coverage foundation. It's not going to be a full coverage heavy cake on. It is just a light coverage foundation. Foundation is on my entire face. I added some, oh, something's in my eye. Weird there, weird. Don't know what just happened, but I added some eyebrows and a little bit of mascara, and that's it. Don't want to add too many products to my face. And I think it's coming in quite well. It's warming up quite well. So let's keep going. In my sample pack, they also sent their mineral veil, which is like a finishing powder. And the mineral veil, if that's what it's called, right, is the Amazing Finishing Mineral Veil. This is one of the most miracle products. When you put on this amazing finishing veil, any oiliness magically disappears. Your skin stays nicely matte the entire day. No need for reapplying. On days when you go out without foundation, don't go without the veil. It's so great that it reduces shadows on your face so that your skin appears more even without needing foundation. I'm done. Apparently this looks like a little, vial of some other substance, but we will not discuss that. This is the most miraculous product there is. Apparently, based on all those claims, this is supposed to do everything for your face. It is supposed to prevent oiliness. It is supposed to brighten your face, supposed to make you look better. It's supposed to just get rid of all your pimples. It's supposed to, moisturize, hydrate. It is supposed to contour and highlight your face at the same time. No, but for real, it is doing some pretty big claims for this mineral veil. It's supposed to do magic. For everyone out there that needs some kind of magic touch-up situation for your face, this is it right here. It's supposed to do magic, my girl. Magic, I don't know how, but magic. So let's see the magic. Let me get a clean brush because God forbid, I don't want to mix it up with any of the products and I mess up the magical properties of the product. So let me get a clean brush. It's always hard to find a clean brush, I tell you. Ooh, abracadabra. Ooh. All right, dust everywhere. Are you guys ready for magic? Let's go. I don't know, I'm so nervous. I don't know, like I'm expecting like doves to start flying or something. I don't know, I'm expecting like, I don't know, stars or something. I don't know, but let me go. Magic. All right, you guys, the magic has been added. What y'all think? What y'all think? I mean, the finish is nice. The finish is real nice. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, the finish is really nice. I'm looking at in the viewfinder, it looks good. Hopefully it looks good to you guys as well. In my mirror, it looks bomb. It looks real good. Alright, so as far as the product goes, it's looking good on the skin. It looks beautiful. I actually love the look on my skin. It does, it feels lightweight. It's easy to blend. It was easy to work with. The color matches. I'm looking real cute, right? I look good. I look good. But that is not what we're here for. We are here to see exactly how well this holds up during a workout. Now, I know y'all gonna comment, who wears makeup to work out? Who? Like, do you? Who? I don't, But my job here is not to judge. This is a judgment-free zone. I won't judge. I mean, some girls do, but not this girl. So if you do wear makeup to work out, then this video is for you. I mean, why would you? But like I said, I'm not judging. So we're gonna see. I mean, I guess if you're doing like, I am more doing this to see if it really does last through a workout. Then this can last through my hectic days when I'm crazy busy at work, or I don't know. So we're just testing it because we want to see how this magical situation is gonna play out. All right, so I'm gonna change the setup a little bit different. I'm gonna move all these lights and camera over to the treadmill, which is way over there, and figure out how I'm going to film this situation for you guys so you guys can see. So let's rearrange some stuff and I'll be right back with a different setup. All right, hope you guys can see me. The setup is a little bit crazy, but we're doing the best that we can. Got the treadmill right here. Got the outfit on. Got my Love Light and Lock shirt. I purchased this from Keisha Charmaine, who's another YouTuber. And I also have on my pop art leggings. And if you guys, by the way, thank you guys so much on all the love on my last video, my fashion post video, my first fashion styling video. You guys loved it so much, so thank you guys so much. If you guys didn't see it yet, I'll link it right here for you to see it. You can see more of my crazy fashion sense. All right, so since we're gonna do this, I'm gonna do like an actual real workout. You know, I'm gonna put on the whole shebang, like if I was really working out at home like I usually do. So this is not a waist trainer, you guys. It is not. It's just a sweatband. It is a sweatband that helps me sweat more when I'm working out. You know, always trying to keep the core nice and tight. Keep the core sweat. Well, get a lot of sweat in the core so that, you know, you can use that, lose that belly fat. So it's not a waist trainer. It is just a sweatband for the core area. I just did 2.5 miles, I spent about 38 minutes on the treadmill, so not too bad. But I just wanted to come in real quick, straight off the treadmill, like just hopped off, and this is how the face is looking. Oh gosh. All right, so now I'm going to switch up the cameras, go back to the regular filming space. I'm not gonna touch my face. I'm just gonna leave it as it is and come back and see how it really looks. All right? Oh, pray for you, girl. This is how the face is looking. After 2 miles of treadmill, 38 minutes, about 4, so I would say let's round. After about 40 minutes on the treadmill, about 2.5 miles, this is how the face is looking. I am thoroughly impressed. I'm sweating in other areas, like my armpits, I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel the sweat. Disgusting, I know, TMI. I am impressed. Now, I try to simulate to make myself sweat as much as I could. I made sure I had my lights that are my 2 box lights that are, I pointed them towards me while I was on the treadmill. And I also had the ring light on me just to protrude more heat on me because I wanted it to be hot and I wanted to sweat as if it was a summertime. I did get very hot, but I pushed through for you guys. But this is pretty good. I would say this is extremely good. This is magically good for being on the treadmill for about 40 minutes and running 2 miles. Now I'm sure if you're outside in the summertime, like deep 90, 100 degree weather summertime, I'm kind of curious to see what, oh, my hair is, it is sweaty in there as well. I'm kind of curious to see what will happen in that situation where it's like the sun is beaming down on you and you're outside in, like, you know, 100 degree weather or 90 something degree weather. I'm really curious to see what will happen. But for this result, I am thoroughly impressed. Like I said, I don't know who will wear makeup while they're working out, but if you're that person, this foundation is for you. Or if it's just everyday living, every day you have a hectic schedule, like you go to work but your job is so strenuous. Like if you're a personal trainer. Look, you can see the sweat right there. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it. There is sweat right there. Can you see it? Like, okay, there. See, my finger just touched right there. And you can see where I just wiped it. So there is sweat. And even in my hairline, I'm sweating. But my face looking flawless. This is impressive. Would I recommend it? Yeah, definitely would recommend it. There's some good stuff. Move makeup. Yeah, your body. I got some bad things. I love it. I do. Alright, you guys. That is all. Don't want to keep you too much. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you ever tried this company before? Have you ever tried the foundation? What do you think? Question: do you wear makeup when you work out? I'm gonna see if I can leave it as a poll. But do you wear makeup when you work out? I'm just curious. Would you purchase this foundation to look cute at the gym? You know, try to get you a bay or something. That's all for now, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy your day. Bye.